Yo, what is up? Busting the waders out today. We're gonna be heading down to a little trout stream, see if I can catch any trout, get a little catch and cook going for you guys. Yeah, so I'm gonna head down to the stream right now. Catch you guys when I get there. Alright, we're at a trail. I'm gonna hopefully hike through it. I don't think it's too long through there, and then we'll reach the stream. I'm gonna go get my waders on. I'll get right back to you once I get those. I'm walking through the woods right now. On this stream is actually dried up, it looks like. So I'm kind of just walking by it, hoping to find a little clearing, I guess. Alright, we have got to the stream. It's really shallow through here, but I'm definitely find something deeper. But I found access. So we try out right past this tree. You can see that sand too. I think that's all soft sand. I'll fall right through that. It's like alive. Alright, so I'm gonna keep on walking. See if I see anything. Alright, this is what I'm using. I brought some other ones I'll probably tie on, but this is where we're at for now. Alright, so I'm gonna head out of this spot. I'm gonna go up there, hike back to that original spot, or actually I'm just gonna go back north, kind of through the water and land, I guess. But yeah, I'll see you back when I'm over there. I'm deep in that one. Oh. That was rough, man. I gotta start right in there, that mud pit. We were out though, look at that mud. Alrighty, how long I made it back? All I'm gonna be doing is kind of head downstream that way, I guess, and see what I can find over there. Hopefully some stuff that indicates anything. Fish. Spent about like 20 minutes at that other spot, couldn't get much. So here we are. I'll be casting into this right here, all that. Bends right there into just pretty deep water overall. So I'm gonna try to set you guys up over on that. Clean my boots off though. This is a 4-piece 9-foot rod I got. So Maxon Outfitters Stonefly, I believe it's like $125. So I don't know, a little cheaper, but it's been working out great so far. No complaints. It does its job great. The case is awesome too. It has 4 little slits for the rod to go in, so no damage can be done. Get on in. Boom. Bingo. All ready to go. I got my little sling pack too. There's this little toggle thing right here, I guess. When I wear it, just look, it slides perfectly on through these two. I mean, I think that's what they're why it's there, honestly. But boom. And buckle it through that little strap too, which I should have done. Alrighty, I'm on the way back. Nice little trail walk. Come on. Actually never caught any type of trout for that matter, so I guess maybe some other day I'll get on that. Look at that. Nice little marsh. It's just so dried up I couldn't even get down there. Walk through all that tall grass. Tell you one thing though, I cannot wait to get these guys off. That's for sure. Big old log, dang. This way. I think the bad news is we didn't catch any fish, and I don't got my sunglasses anymore. It might be in one of my baggies, I don't know. I've lost them things like 3 times in the past week. Can't keep track of them. I think they fell off my head though when I was in that mud. I went back and looked and I could not seem to find it. Oh well.
Trout fishing?
Yeah.
Anything?
No.
No.
I'm new with the fly and everything, so.
When I was a kid, which is many years ago, I used to fish this with my dad.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God, Brooke, we used to wait for like a thunderstorm and that water would go and that hose would get real flat.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, and I'm talking 12, 13, 14 inch brook trout.
Really?
Really? On Mark over here where there's ditch things in, they got poisoned one time from the airplane.
Oh, really? It's in the state of when he was growing up.
I remember my dad catching one while everything is for the table.
Uh-huh.
Well, good luck in your fishing, guys.
Thank you. Those are back there. Yep. Throw my fly and stuff out there. Cannot wait. Alright, so I was talking to that guy. I saw a guy, you know, walking in on the kind of like the trailhead, and he was just talking to me. He said him and his dad used to catch some good brook trout back there, so Who knows? Maybe we come back some other day. See what's there. And I guess if you guys looking for some beginning waders, these Frog Dogs did an amazing job. They're nice and cheap, so they kept me really warm. I got a lot of sweat built up on me through that, but yeah, they did the job pretty well. Other than that, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to check out SJ Outdoor Show YouTube channel. Turn on the post notifications, leave a like, and subscribe so you don't miss out.